How to find drafts on Instagram. So first, go to your Instagram application. So you know that after update, you cannot upload drafts directly from here. But if you want to save anything as a draft, then just tap on your profile. And here on profile, you can see there is a plus icon on the top right. Just tap on it and then just tap on post. Then select any picture or video that you want to save in draft. Then just press next and edit it. Then again tap on next. After coming here, just go back. So now you can see we have got two options. One is to discard it and other is to save picture as a draft. Just tap on save draft. And then how will you find that draft? Just tap on create icon and here you can see there's an option for draft. Just tap on it. So now you can see we have access to our drafts. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.